Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you can apply for the Seplat undergraduate scholarship for the year 2026. If you are a non-student in particular, you can also enjoy this scholarship. So all you have to do is to search for Seplat scholarship, and like you can see on my screen, I've already done that, and you can see the website Seplat, website, is among the first search results. So you can click on this first results, and this is the page specifically for the scholarship. So you can go down the page and click on this link. So after clicking on the link, it will take you to the scholarship page where you are expected to start the application. You can see it has just few steps, 6 steps, and they are very short steps, and it doesn't require you to write any essay. So at the bottom of the page, you can see this next button. Click on it, and you will need to make a declaration, and you can actually go through it, but you don't really have to do that. All you need to do is to check this box, and from there you can click on the next button. All you have to do here is to enter your name, phone number, email address, the same email address here, gender, date of birth, state of origin, and your local government of origin. And then you click next. So let me do that because I need to do that before I can continue actually. So you just select kind of random response. So what happens, they say all the I'm actually using a kind of custom domain. So let me switch to something that is kind of personal. So let me just go ahead. So I'm now in the fourth stage, which requires me to enter my school information, the name of the university, and you can, for example, search for National Open University, the states, you can see, for example, Delta, and then you can see computing, and then department, you can see computer science, for example, and then you go to the next, and then here you are asked about the academic information. Then you can choose course of studies. You can see computer science, and then degree in view, ESC, computer science, depending on what you are studying actually. The level you are 400 or 300 level, and then CGPA, depending on your current CGPA, you can now choose the range that reflects your own results. So you can go for this depending on what you have. And then year of entry, the year you gain admission into your institution. So you can just select the right year, and then the expected year of graduation. So you can choose the year that you think you're going to graduate, and then because the requirement of the scholarship, one of the requirements of the scholarship is that you should have 5 credits, including maths and English, in one sitting. So you should choose yes. Don't go for no, otherwise you'll be disqualified. And then this final stage, this is the final stage, and you are asked whether in this stage you are asked whether you've received any other scholarship. You should say no. If you're on any other scholarship and you say yes, I don't think you are going to be qualified. So are your relatives a member of staffs of Seplat Energy? If yes, say yes, otherwise you say no. The profile response is no. Have you taken the scholarship test before? It depends on you actually. If you have taken, there's no right or wrong answer here. It depends on your situation. So if you haven't, you can say no. And then finally you can click on the submit button, and your application is submitted. Wow, so short and easy. So this is how you can take and submit your own application. Thank you.